Girls basketball and WIAA Division I Regional Championship action here at Riverside High School. It's the 2-seeded Tigers hosting 3-seed DSHA. Both these teams won their regular season conference championships and played in this gym back in early December. Riverside won by 2, and Saturday night, the rematch. The winner keeping their dreams of going to state alive. DSHA standout Arike Agunbowale made just 5 of her 23 shots against Riverside in the first meeting. She was determined to play better when it mattered the most. 10 points in a big first quarter gave the Dashers a 3-point lead. Riverside senior Amani Wilborn had 28 the first time around. She had 23 in the regional final, as Riverside found their game legs. But Arike controlled the game. Most anything she wanted, she hit. That jumper puts DS up 10. She also got her teammates involved. 4 Dashers touched the ball before Steph Wissing lays it in. DSHA up 14. Then, time winding down before halftime, Riverside puts Arike in the corner, but she hits the cold-blooded 3. DS leads 35-17 at the break. Riverside coach Donald Nelson getting his Tigers going as they slowly chip away at what grew to a 20-point deficit. Tiana Fudge connects from downtown. Then it's the junior Alana Johnson from deep. Riverside cuts it to 14 going to the 4th when they slice it in half quickly. Wilborn taking her game to Marquette next season and won. 49-42. The Dashers lead down to 7. But that's as close as Riverside gets. Back-to-back layups from Taylor Drost makes the lead 11, and then Arike puts the game away. The Notre Dame-bound senior scores 41 points as DSHA gets revenge and moves on. 67-52 the final. DSHA faces Brookfield Central in the sectional semifinals.
We just played relentless. We took it at them. We lost to them earlier in the season, so we really wanted to go out there and get revenge. We've gotten so much better since, what was that, December 5th, so we were just excited to come back here. And we were actually really excited we got the 3 because we would be able to redo it all, play again at their house. They're a great team, though.
First game, we allowed way too much in the paint. Transition, I thought we were a lot better defensively, too. We didn't allow them to get out and run. They're such an athletic team and so dangerous. I thought that first half was huge in terms of us kind of setting that tone. We know we're going to be in for a battle. Tremendous team, but we're excited to move on and excited for the opportunity.